How to see recently opened apps on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to check your recent apps and app activity. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, the quickest way is using the Recent Apps feature. Open up your Recents, and you'll see a list of apps you've recently opened. Keep in mind, if you tap Close All, those apps will no longer appear in this list. Now, if you want to see a deeper history of apps you've opened, there's another method. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Google. Then tap on your Google account and tap Manage your Google account. Next, go to Data and Privacy and click on View My Activity. Here, you'll see your recent activity, including apps you've opened and actions you've taken. You can also remove any activity by tapping the X and deleting it. And that's it. That's how you can see recently opened apps on your Android device